Actually, there are three things I want to say. The first thing is why it is important, because it brings a certain entrepreneurial spirit into our company, which we are actually very much in need for. It's this idea of building your own company in small structures, being able to really innovate in a market as we are working in is one of the things that is very important to us, and we are actually benefiting a lot from these corporations. The second thing I really wanted to highlight is that it's the risk taking. We as corporates always are sort of a little prudent and are reluctant to take bold risks, and that's actually what we are learning from startups, because they are. And the third is actually no answer, because everybody expects us to say, well, it's these innovations. But you would be surprised how innovative we as a big corporation actually are. So it's 2 times yes, and third time, actually, we are also bringing something into these corporations. What we have is sort of a foundry, and this is for a couple of reasons that we established this. It's first of all an easy access. So people know how to approach Unilever, people know how to get in touch with us, and it's actually a very engaging platform, so that we are very accessible for people. And what we are bringing in is, apart from financials, is a lot of support in terms of mentorship and in terms of coaching. So we are actually helping bringing sort of our corporate insights into the entrepreneurial world of startups. And what I've learned today is actually this is something that is more or less lacking, because everybody thinks we are worlds apart, and to a certain extent we actually are. So this program actually very much is closing this gap of what a startup is and what a big corporation is. Well, I see actually that we are on a very good path, and during this event I see that there's a lot of things going on in terms of cooperation between startups and corporations. So I think this will intensify very much in the future. What we have to learn is to be even more agile, be even more open, be even more bold. And what I think that startups can learn from ourselves is also to have more or a little less bit of this bigger picture and bigger view that we as a global corporation are actually able to provide. Well, the benefit is that they actually have access to a corporation that is operating in 119 markets on this world. It has more than a dozen $1 billion brands or Euro brands, so they have a huge opportunity to scale up their business models.